What's up everyone, welcome back again with this another unboxing video. And it's been a while I haven't uploaded earphone unboxing video, so this is what I've come up with. This is both Airdopes 141 wireless earphone, and what's special about it, and even company is claiming 5 minutes of charging can take you up to 75 minutes of playback time. This is insane. And it has 42 hours of total playback time when it gets fully charged. You can get this earphone easily online at around 1000 rupees. Here are some specifications written on the box: IWP technology, Bluetooth 5.1, etc. Let's unbox this and check the build quality. I've got the white color by the way, but you can get it in black as well as cyan cider color. Let's get it out of the box, and these 4 dots indicates charging. Let's take a closer look. Let's keep this aside and see what do we get inside of the box. In this little box we have an extra pair of buds. If you guys are not comfortable with the regular one, you can change it later on. And a cable for charging, type C to USB. In this box we have some paperwork, warranty card and some stickers. Let's move to charging case and get this space out of it. As I already told you, these points indicates charging. These buds are very lightweight. The quality of plastic is very good if you look at the price. I just can't wait to pair it with my mobile phone and to check its sound quality. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. New videos on the way. See you soon. Peace out.